And now let's talk about selecting and deselecting. All right, so in Maya, if I go here to the component and if I want to make a selection, and if I want to add to this component selection, if I click and hold shift, you'll notice that the cursor is showing plus. That means I can add to this selection. However, if I select something that's already selected, like this, then it's going to deselect it. So the summary of using shift for selection is that it's going to help you on selecting the unselected and deselecting the selected. But what if you want to make sure that you're only adding? Then in that case, you click and hold Control and Shift down, and now you can see the cursor is only showing you plus. What if you want to only deselect? As you can see, the shift does not give you a consistent result. How do I deselect completely? That's going to be using the Control. So if you click and hold Control, you will always see the mouse cursor showing minus.